All right, hello everyone, and happy Thursday. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I wanted to reach back out to give you an update on the fundraiser that Wyndham Realty is going to be sponsoring. I met with the fundraising director at CASA, and she gave me a tour of the recently built apartment complex, King Ridge, here in Raleigh. It is absolutely amazing. They have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. They come fully furnished. It comes stocked with food. It has all the linens they need, toiletries, so they can walk in there and have everything they need. And just seeing everybody there was just so kind and so helpful, and the residents there were smiling. Everybody was happy. Very well maintained. They have nurses on staff there, so if anyone gets sick or needs medication, whatever, they've got 2 nurses on staff. They have dental services on site there. They have so many meeting rooms to form a sense of community, lots of play areas for the kids. So I am so excited to come across this organization and do my little small part I can to help raise funds to support the mission that they are doing to provide homes for those without. And if you've ever been without, I never have, thank God, but I don't know what it would be like to not have a roof over your head, nowhere to lay you and your family down and feel safe. And this is a very safe environment. So I would keep letting you know more information about this organization. So if you want to get involved, I'll give you updates on that. But this is the fundraiser I'm going to do. It is called 10-10-10 Open House at DEREHAM. So I'm going to be having an open house at my listing at 184 DEREHAM Lane in Gardner on next Saturday, May the 10th from 12 until 3. And what we're going to do, the first 10 is for every person that comes in the house, man, woman, or child. I will donate $10 to CASA. If you come in, take a tour, that's an automatic $10 for them. I am also going to have a vendor set up. They're selling Mother Day baskets. It's called CC Rue's Gifts, and she is one of my sisters that goes to my church, and she makes beautiful baskets. So if you purchase a basket while you're there, that's going to be another $10 for every basket that she sells that I will give to CASA. And then the third 10 is, if we can sell this house, I'm going to give 10% of my commission to CASA. So that's the 10-10-10. So I need your help because I want Wyndham Realty to write a big fat check to CASA. Okay. So I need for you to come out and take a tour. I need for you to come out and buy a gift basket, and I need for you to buy the house. Okay. If you are not able to come out to this event, I'm going to share a link on my Facebook page where you can donate online, so we can try and reach that goal of $1,000. So be on the lookout for the next 10 days. I'm going to be updating my Facebook page on ways you can donate and on information on CASA and all the wonderful work they are doing here in the Triangle area. And if you have any questions, feel free to direct message me or put a question in the comments, or you can text me or call me at 910-322-0253. And let's make Wyndham Realty pay big on May 10th. All right. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.